Are you preparing to sit for JAMB, WAEC, NECO, or your GCE exams? And you're looking for good lectures, good coaching, good lessons for you to prepare for your exams? This is the best place for you. Just get to your browser and type in www.jambwaecnecouni.com www.jambwaecnecouni.com. You will see good lectures that will help you to pass your exams. As a student, you need to know about this website, and you need to know about our YouTube channel, the channel that you're watching now. Click on it and hit the subscribe button so that anytime we release a new video concerning lectures for you to prepare for your exams, you will be the first to get them. If you're a student in Nigeria and you're having assignments in school, whether it is secondary school or university, you can simply send your assignments to us through the website and we'll help you sort it out. We will help you, give you hints on how to solve your assignments, no matter how difficult they are. And that is the service that we are rendering. So if you're a student, then you need to know about this, our YouTube channel, Tclassified.com. You need to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting academic materials and resources for you to get very high score in your JAMB and good grades in your WAEC. So subscribe to this channel immediately, and also hook up to our website www.jambwaecnecouni.com. You can also save my number. This is my number, so that you can send me a WhatsApp message so that I will add you to our WhatsApp group where we normally send our lectures through for our students to see and study online. The phone number is +234 70671 62698. You can also call me with this number for special lesson if you need special coaching. Also, you can get to the Google Play Store and download our Android app. The name of the Android app is JAMB WAEC NECO UNI, without the www or the .com, just JAMB WAEC NECO UNI. You get our app on Android Play Store. Download it to your phone so that you can easily use it to take our lectures. All our lectures are online, and with our app you can easily access those lectures. So if you want to get high score in JAMB, good grades in WAEC, NECO, and if you want us to help you out in your assignments and projects, or if you want to get good knowledge of computer, then get to our website www.jambwaecnecouni.com, or hit this video and click on the subscribe button so that you get these videos on YouTube. Also, on our website you can also get other good news and information needed for you as a student in Nigeria. So here we prepare academic materials that will help you to pass. If you need past questions and answers, everything you need as a complete student can be found with us. So you can use any of our channels, our YouTube page, which is our YouTube channel, which is Tclassified.com, our website, which is www.jambwaecnecouni.com, our Android app, which you can get by searching for JAMB WAEC NECO UNI on the Android Play Store, or getting my phone number so that I can add you up on our WhatsApp, or give me a call for special classes. The phone number is +234 70671 62698. So make assignments and projects very easy for secondary school students as well as university students. So make sure that you're using our resources. If you have any assignments in school, send them across. We're always there for you. Thank you, and God bless you so much.